The drone is invisible to the naked eye when flying a long distance in the sky. To ensure that the wireless video transmission signal is the strongest at this time, an antenna that can be automatically tracked is required. This antenna can automatically search while rotating. To get the best signal, position the drone and keep the receiving surface of the antenna always facing the drone. The Gimbal automatic tracking antenna is designed for a UAV directional panel antenna system. Directional panel antennas have higher gain than omnidirectional antennas, but high-gain directional panel antennas are usually accompanied by narrow effective angles. Because the real-time position of the drone is constantly changing, the ground-side high-gain panel antenna needs to be adjusted in real time to the effective direction and angle. Our Gimbal self-tracking antenna is to solve the problem that the directional panel antenna is difficult to keep in the best sending and receiving direction and angle when the UAV is flying. Our Gimbal auto tracking antenna obtains the latitude, longitude, and altitude of the tracked target, drone, through the wireless data link. And the drone generally uses the Mavlink protocol to transmit the drone information, including the latitude, longitude, and altitude, to the ground via wireless data link. In the end, we only need to share the latitude, longitude, and height information with our auto tracking gimbal to realize real-time auto tracking.